Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about the equal or non-equal in the conditional statement in Python. So first, let me define a variable called variable equal to 12. So I'm gonna check that if my variable is equal to 12. So in Python, equal is a double equal symbol here, either equal or not. But for single equal here, it's only have to give a value, assign a value to this variable. So let me print out what it looks like. Okay, it says true, right? So what if I change that to 21? It says false here. So this is the equal. So how about non-equal? I say equal is this way. Say var is not equal to 21. As you can see, it says true, right? So what if we have another, say, string equal to, say, car. Right, I want to print that string equal to Honda. Let me comment this line. As you can see, that it says false. So say not equal to Honda. It says true. Right, I change that to car. Just false. So I change the back to equal. Equals to, okay, it says true. Alright, so this is very common in the Python conditional statement to check that there is something that equal or not equal to in Python. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.